In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add users, staff members to your Shopify store. Adding staff members to your Shopify store allows you to share access with your team while keeping everything secure and organized. Each staff account can have its own login, permissions, and level of access, so you don't have to share your personal credentials. To get started, log into your Shopify admin and head to Settings at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. From there, select Users and Permissions. On this page, you'll see your account at the top and a section for adding staff. Click Add Staff to begin. You'll be asked to enter the staff member's name and email address. Once that's done, you'll see a list of permissions you can assign. Shopify allows you to give full access to everything in the store, or you can customize access so the staff member only sees what's relevant. For example, you might allow someone to manage orders and products, but not billing or sensitive settings. This flexibility is perfect if you have a team with different roles, like customer service, fulfillment, or marketing. After setting permissions, click Send Invite. Shopify will email the staff member an invitation to create their own login. Once they accept, they'll be able to sign in and work on the store with the permissions you gave them. You can always return to the Users and Permissions page to adjust access, suspend a staff account, or remove it entirely if it's no longer needed. This system not only makes collaboration smoother but also adds accountability since each staff member's actions are tracked under their own account. It's a simple but powerful way to manage teamwork as your business grows. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.